Welcome to day 7. Today we build the attendance and punching APIs, the heartbeat of enterprise systems. Before Rust, before JSON, there was ASMX. Legacy systems still breathe. Understanding ASMX unlocks doors that modern frameworks often ignore. This tutorial is free. Every view fuels learning. Every earning fuels charity. Thank you for being part of this mission. Let us begin. The punching details model stores attendance logs captured from mobile devices. It includes the device name, punch time, location, and status. This model helps us track employee activity accurately. The punching details API accepts an employee code, fetches all attendance logs for that employee, and returns them as a list. This is essential for attendance tracking and reporting. The day summary API calculates the check-in and check-out times for an employee. It also includes remarks if needed. This gives a clear overview of the employee's workday. This stored procedure retrieves all punching logs for an employee. It ensures accurate and fast retrieval of attendance data. This stored procedure calculates the earliest punch as check-in and the latest punch as check-out. It is simple and effective way to generate daily attendance summaries. Day 7 is complete. You have built punching details. You have crafted day summary. The rhythm of attendance now flows through your API. Legacy systems one step closer to mastery. Tomorrow, we build the next piece. Stay focused, stay inspired.